crazy.
Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He don't even look. He don't care. The crazy one. Look. Have his butt out. They get run over. They don't even see it because they're crazy. Now he goes back again. Look at that. He's probably looking to get run over. It's probably crazy.
He's like you. He doesn't know where to go.
Oh! You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. They crash. They crash hard. They crash hard. Look at this one. Look at she stopped too.
She crashed up. She hit us.
They crash hard, man. He took the red light or something. Why did she stop like that? Wow, they crashed. I actually got it on film. Oh, I got it on film. I gotta get. I don't know if I should stop. I don't know. There was this girl, and she was like, "Yeah," like I don't know if they were racing or what. Are they all right? It's a woman.
Oh my
What
goodness.
happened?
The car is messed up. Oh, the car. Everything is. Jesus.
I don't even know how they crashed. Were they racing?
Oh my goodness.
I don't know if I should wait.
It's really cold.
Should I give them the video or something?
Yeah, you should.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
What happened to me?
You're gonna crash them.
Whoa, what are they? A crash.
That was a big one.
Whoa.
That's a big
Oh,
one.
Lord.
That's a big one.
Look here. Wow.
Look at it. They gotta be broken too.
Whoa.
Yep. That's a big one.
4.6 kilometers.
It's smaller. Smaller? Yeah, I want to be a bit smaller. So you want? I have to put it in blood. I want it just like that.
Is that bike really getting in between those two cars?
Oh my
Jesus.
god.
What's he doing?
He's being a dick.
Oh, yeah, but he's the one that.
What does that even mean?
Max, alright, Nico, alright.
I'm not sure what his
Yeah, just because he.
gesture meant.
Well, his gesture was, hey, give me some room, let me in. But the bottom line is, he doesn't. The car doesn't need to let you in just because you push your signal on. Now you got the two bikes taking up the entire highway.
Dude. Whoa, dude, what you doing? Where are you going, dude?
Okay. Oh my god. That one's pushed on the inside, so suspension is screwed up.
So like this?
And just watch. It's going like something's busted out on the side, like the axle's broke. Like, dude, where are you gonna go with this car?
It's gonna get hairy.
Don't go too fast, buddy. Don't go too fast. I've never seen a car dog track like that before.
It's driving sideways. Uh-oh.
Oh, get out too close.
Listen, I will say this. This person driving is good. That guy's a good driver. You gotta give him credit.
Oh boy!
Oh, this is great. This is great. Not gonna make it. Not gonna make it.
Oh, we did it! Congratulations! He has learned to drive with a disability. He's bought a disabled car. What is wrong? His tire's gonna fall off. It's got to fall off. Like something's gonna snap.
I'm crying.
Could you imagine? You see the people's head in the backseat just whipping around?
They're gonna give that car a DUI, not the driver.
Oh, don't get in front of us!